All right, now, so after we added the products to the cart in the last video, and after we validated the cart, I guess now it's time to actually go ahead and show the products in the cart right here for the user. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So I want to go ahead. Let's say I want to go to resources. I want to go to the views, and I want to go to the master template right there because I want to link my route. All right, so where exactly is this icon? So I guess that this is actually the icon right there. So it says cart.html. You know, if we remove this and if we go something like route like that, so this will be just cart. And if we save this, let's go ahead and copy the word cart, and let me go to routes. Let me go to web right here, and let me try and create this link. So I'm just gonna paste the word cart right there. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go right there and paste. So let's cut this, and I will make this so it will actually go to products/cart. All right. All right. So this will actually be a get request, not a post. So yeah, and for the function, I'm just gonna go cart simply, and for the name, of course, I'm gonna go cart. All right, so save this whole thing. Let me now copy this function name, and I want to go to app http. I want to go to controllers, and I want to go to products right here. And when I go to the products controller, let me go right there and paste this in. So let me copy. Let's see, we can copy this function, and we can go down at the bottom and paste it like that. So just copy this and paste it right there. We're not going to need any kind of request or IDs right here, so just remove those. And I want to go right here. Let me go and, for example, copy this. Well, let's copy this, for example, the related products. So let me paste it like that. So this will be cart. And now we can keep it something generic like this. So I'm gonna grab the data from the cart table. I'm gonna go where well, we need to grab the data by two. If we look right here at the cart table, we need to grab the data by the user ID, because again the products can be different, you know, for every user. Some user might have like 3 items, some user might have like 4 items, and so on. So we need to grab by the user ID right here. So I'm just gonna go where user underscore ID, and since I want to grab the ID, the products for the current user, I want to go ahead and I want to use the auth session right there, or the auth class, that will allow me to simply just fetch in the ID just like that. All right, so I want to grab the data where the user ID equals the ID of the current user that's simply trying to access the cart page. All right, so yeah, and everything else, well, actually we can go and leave this order by descending like that. All right, so, and we're gonna just go get like that. All right, so I want to go ahead and I want to actually right after we do this, I want to return some kind of view. So I'm just gonna go let me go right there, and I want to go return view, and I want to return the view of the products in the products folder, and this view will be a name of cart, and I want to go ahead and I want to send in the data right along with it. All right, so let's end this with a semicolon, and let me copy this, and let's go to the resources right here. Let's go to views, let's go to products, and I want to go ahead and I want to actually create this blade view. So as you can see, there it is. Now go to your design and just get go to the cart.html. Let me go ahead and grab the section. This will allow me to simply grab the background image. All right, and this right here, let's grab these sections. You know, we're gonna grab those three sections. Of course, the footer is right there for us. So let's copy those. Let's go right there and actually paste this in. I want to go at the bottom and I want to go end section like that. All right. And I want to go right to the top right there. And I want to go, let's see. Yeah, if we go to products, the product single, for example, I want to grab the part where we extend the master template. All right, so paste this like that. And I want to go ahead right here to the URL, and I want to go asset, and I'm gonna just go to assets right there slash, and I want to grab the images folder. All right, so cut this and paste it like that. So now let's just save this whole thing right there. All right, so now if we go to this, all right, so check that out. The image should actually show up. Maybe it's taking a bit of time. All right, so it's messed up at the top, and that's because of this right there. Let's save this. Now this part is fixed. I would say like 95% fixed like that. So yeah, creamy latte coffee. All right, so this part shouldn't be actually like that. So what's going on with this section exactly? Let's go at the bottom. So let me see. Let's go ahead actually and try. Yeah, we can try and equal out the data right away, and we will see what's going on. So I want to go back to the controllers, and I'm gonna make this cart products. All right, so I guess that this name makes more sense to me. So if we go to cart blade, so this is just a symbol table, and there is a couple of TRs. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna delete this TR right here, and I'm gonna work with the one that I already have. I'm just gonna loop through it, and let's see what's gonna go down exactly. Let's actually, without even looping through it, so let's save this. All right, so it still looks weird right here. The whole design is looking weird. If we look at the T-body, I don't want to equal out the data and then go back and try to fix everything. So because if you look at our design right here of the template, you're gonna see that the card is looking pretty different if you look right there. So as you can see, the background it's all different simply. So did we forget? Even those are not showing up, those right there. All right, so let's try a loop through, anyway. So if I go for each like that, and if I go products, cart products as cart product, for example. All right, so let's cut this TR and paste. All right, so if we go at the image right there, let's go ahead and just go asset. This will come from the assets folder slash images slash, and let me just concatenate this with product. All right, so let me go right here. Cart product, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab the image like that. All right, so let's copy this. Let's actually try and save for now. Let's see what's gonna go down. Let's see how the image is gonna show up. All right, so undefined variable cart product. All right, so there is the cart product. Let's save this. All right, so the image is not even showing up. All right, so what's going on exactly? Layouts.app. You hit primary text center, and why those are not showing up, basically. Call MD container row. All right, so just give me a second. All right, so I tried a bunch of things here and there. Well, actually what we need to do, this will just fix the problem like temporarily. We will go at the table right here, and we will just add dark like that, and we will save this. And I want to go ahead right there, and the reason the image was not showing up because we left this right there. So let's remove this, and now let's go ahead and refresh. So if we go right at the top, you can see yeah, it's still messed up a little bit, and the image is not even showing up. This is very weird. All right, so we're going to assets right there, and we're going to slash images. And we're going slash, and we're simply concatenating this. So we remove this, for example. Just don't know why the image is not showing up. Maybe I'm doing it in the wrong place. Div image. All right, so this should be the right place for the image. Style, image, background, URL, asset, and right here assets slash images, which we're grabbing from right there. Public, assets, and images right there. So what am I doing? We go right there. Let me actually try and do the other ones right here, and let's see what's gonna go down. All right, so this will be this will be named like that, and this will be the description. All right, so I'm gonna go for the description for now. Let me go and paste this. So this will be description like that, and this will be price. All right, so this will be the input for the quantity, and this will be by default. This will be one by default. So the price right here should be like that. So yeah, paste this, and let's now save. If we go right here, all right, so it's still not working. Product price. There is the name, and there is the description. All right, so the name is right there, but the description is not showing up. There is the price, and there is the quantity, and there is the total. There is just a very weird problem with the image. It's not even showing up. If we go right there, and we will make this image, and we will make this we will make this source. Let's remove this and make this so it will be src, and let's remove this. To remove this div also, and we can remove this. All right, so let's save right now. All right, so the image is actually showing up, but it's too big, so I'm just gonna go with like that, and I'm gonna keep this 60, for example, and I'm gonna go with the height. I'm gonna also keep this so it will be 60. So let's save this. All right, so there we go. But you know, there's something wrong with the design itself. All right, so I will fix it. You know, I know that this video was a mess, but you know, the takeaway of this video is that I changed the div right there to image because it was not working, and I changed it to be like this, and I basically echoed out everything else. You know, there was no problem with anything else, I would say. I just added like table dash dark right there. So yeah, this will be everything, and I will see you in the next video.